Hi, it's Natalie at WTI, and if you're tired of your kitchen looking like a hot mess because you have Ziploc bags all over the place and you can't find the right size that you need, then you definitely want to invest in Verve Tools Ziploc bag organizer. My life has been decluttered with this Ziploc bag organizer. I love the design of this organizer because usually Ziploc bag organizers are all in one box, but this can be separated so you can adjust it to fit in your drawer how you'd like. I sometimes don't use specific sizes, so you can even eliminate one. That way you have more room inside of your drawer, which is a big plus. I also like how it is a magnetic lid, so it's really easy to take off the lid and to fill up the organizer with the Ziplocs. Usually the lids aren't removable, which is why I love this one, because it's so easy to take off and put back on. I also like how durable these organizers are. Up close you can see that it's made out of wood and bamboo, and the color is absolutely breathtaking. This product is definitely going to last you a long time. The Ziploc bag organizer fits a total of 450 Ziploc bags. So many Ziploc bags, you will not have a mess in your kitchen, I promise. I like the handwriting on the organizers. You can see up close how pretty it is. I even like that it comes with a little storage box where you can place other items, not necessarily Ziplocs. I like to put some medicine in there, that way it's more organized. So if you're looking to declutter your kitchen, you're gonna want to start with your Ziploc bags with this organizer from Verve Tool. That's my point of view.